Welcome to the newest and most advanced camera in the industry, the Dahua technology Mini Hubble multi-sensor panoramic and PTZ. The Mini Hubble series camera is the ultimate all-in-one design for your surveillance needs. With its advanced 4 megapixel PTZ camera and 4 or 8 2 megapixel panorama cameras, the Mini Hubble can capture images with rich details. This makes it the perfect choice for wide area coverage, as it can replace multiple conventional or PTZ cameras. This greatly reduces installation, wiring and maintenance costs. The integrated 25 times optical zoom PTZ camera makes sure that no target behaviour details are missed. The Mini Hubble series camera is compact and sleek, measuring at 280mm by 296.8mm, making installation even easier. It also has an infrared distance of up to 100 meters, and with its other features is designed to give you the best coverage and image quality. But that's not all. The Mini Hubble series also comes equipped with IP67 protection, two-way communication with an integrated microphone and speaker, 16 megapixel or 8 megapixel high definition resolution, starlight and wide dynamic range, image optimization, smart tracking, perimeter protection and video metadata. The advanced AI capabilities like vehicle density, face detection and video metadata make it stand out from the rest, and its human and vehicle tracking capabilities ensure accurate tracking with a false alarm rate of less than 5%. Making it easier to identify and track individuals or vehicles of interest. 60% smaller and 50% lighter than the fantastic standard Hubble range. The Mini Hubble series, the future of surveillance technology, is here.